Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. The first thing you want to do is go over to the top left hand corner and tap on Products. After selecting Products, you are going to tap on Collections. Then you are going to go over to the top right hand corner and tap on Create Collections. After doing that, you are going to create your title right here. So you can type in the title, the name of the collection. Then you can add description right here, and you are going to select Manual. After selecting Manual, you can scroll down and you could edit the website SEO if you like, and you can also add image. And once you're finished, you'll simply tap on Save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.